Most people think debt is normal. Everyone has loan. Everyone has credit cards. Everyone owes something. So it must be fine, right? Not exactly. Debt is not dangerous because you borrow money. Debt is dangerous because of what it does to your mind, your choice, and your future. At first, debt feels helpful. You get what you want now. You promise to pay later. A new phone, a nice car, a bigger lifestyle. Nothing seems wrong, but slowly something changes. Your future income is no longer yours. It already belongs to someone else. This is where the danger begins. Let me tell you a story. Meet Daniel. Daniel had a decent job. He wasn't rich, but he earned enough. When he got his first credit card, it feels powerful. He could finally buy things without waiting. Small purchases at first, then bigger ones. A new laptop, a vacations, a new expensive gadgets. The payments were manageable. That's what he told himself. But manageable slowly became heavy. Every month, a large part of Daniel's salary disappeared before he even touched it. Not for saving, not for investing, for past decisions. Daniel was working, but for his past self. This is one of the biggest danger of debt. Debt steals your future freedom. When too much of your income goes to repayments, you lose options. You can't quit a job you hate. You can't take risk. You can't handle emergencies. You are stuck. Another danger of debt is stress. When the people don't talk about it, debt lives in their mind. When they wake up, when they go to sleep, when they check their phone, it becomes a constant background noise, and constant stress changes behavior. People start making emotional choice. They borrow more to feel better. They avoid looking at their balance. They pretend everything is fine. This creates a cycle. Debt, stress, more bad decisions, more debt. The third danger is normalizations. Society tells us debt is normal. Everyone has a car loan. Everyone used credit cards. Everyone is paying EMI. But normal does not mean healthy. Being overweight is normal. Being stressed is normal. Being broke is normal. Normal does not equal good. Most debt is taken not to build wealth, but to look wealthy. This is the most expensive mistake. There is a difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debts usually help you grow. Educations, a small business, a careful chosen investment. Bad debt feeds lifestyle. Things that lose value. Things bought your status. Things forgotten after a few months. Bad debts give short-term pleasure and long-term pain. So, what can you do? First, become honest with yourself. Write down all your debt, all balances, all interest rates. Not to judge yourself, but no face reality. You can fix what you don't face. Second, stop creating new bad debt. This one decisions alone can change your future. Third, focus on reducing high interest debt first. Every dollar you remove from high interest debt is a guaranteed return. This is powerful. Fourth, start building a small emergency fund. Even a small cushion prevents panic borrowing. Here is the most important mindset shift. Debt is not a tool for comfort. Debt is a tool that should be used rarely and carefully. If you cannot buy something in cash today, ask yourself, will this still matter to me in 5 years? Most of the time, the answer is no. Freedom feels better than stuff. Peace feels better than upgrades. And a life without constant payments feels lighter than anything money can buy. You don't have to be debt-free overnight, but you do need a directions. Small steps, consistent efforts, honest awareness. That's how people escape the debt trap. If this message helps you see debt differently, stay connected because money is not the enemy, ignorance is. And once you understand money, you stop fearing it. You start controlling it. Pause. And control is where freedom begins.